Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Snipping Tool and going straight to Mode and Settings. Choose Record if your version supports it. Make sure your microphone and system audio are selected and at sensible levels so sound is captured cleanly. Once done, pick the capture area type you need: full screen for demos, window for app-focused clips, or custom for part of the screen. This gets you recording ready quickly without extra setup steps or delays. You now select the exact area to record and confirm any annotations you'll use. Choosing the right capture type avoids wasted editing time. Click Record and watch the brief countdown. That buffer ensures you're ready and reduces dead space at the clip start. While recording, narrate clearly and use on-screen annotations deliberately. Pause sparingly so the timeline stays smooth. Make sure to monitor audio levels visually. You finish by clicking Stop, then immediately preview the recording to confirm quality and timing. This prevents discovering issues later. Save the file with a clear name and choose MP4 for wide compatibility, then store it in a known folder. If sound is missing, check microphone and system audio permissions for Snipping Tool, restart the app, and verify the input device in sound settings. If recordings are choppy, lower screen resolution or close background apps before re-recording to improve performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.